In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Banggood app not working 2025. Step by step. If the app won't open, keeps loading, or certain features won't respond, follow along and we'll get you back to shopping in just a few minutes. Start by ruling out server issues. Sometimes the problem isn't your phone at all. Give it 10 to 30 minutes and try again. And in the meantime, open the Banggood website in a browser. If the site also fails to load or shows an error, it's a server-side issue and waiting is the best move. Next, confirm your internet connection. Toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, power cycle your router and modem and try moving closer to the access point. Unstable internet is the most common cause of loading errors. If the connection looks fine, force close the app and reopen it. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find Banggood, and tap Force Stop, then open the app again. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and flick Banggood away from the recent apps, then relaunch it. This clears temporary glitches. On Android, you can also clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Banggood, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Then reopen the app. Avoid clearing data unless you absolutely must, because that can remove saved preferences and sign you out. Make sure you're on the latest version. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Banggood, and tap Update if you see it. Older versions can lose compatibility with new services. Enabling auto updates can prevent this in the future. If you use a VPN, private DNS, or an ad blocker, turn those off temporarily. Banggood may restrict traffic from those services. Disable the VPN, switch to your regular network, and restart the app to test again. If the app opens but certain features don't work, sign out and back in. Go to Account, choose Log Out, then log in again. This refreshes your session and permissions. As a last resort, reinstall the app. Uninstall Banggood, restart your phone to clear any lingering processes, reinstall it from the official App Store, and log in again. Reinstallation replaces corrupted files and often fixes stubborn issues. That's it. Work through these fixes in order and you should be up and running. If the website is down, give it time and try again later. Thanks for watching and good luck.